Hi guys, today we make calculator app. First part is design and next part is coding. So let's get started. First, we have to design the calculator app. So first go to the default and take playtime. Where is the playtime? Playtime. So now we take label. In this text, I write calculator. Calculator. Now I increase the width and the height. This letter is small, so go to the font size and 14, 15 it is big and big. And okay, this is okay. Now we again take two labels. In the first text, in the first text, I write num1, and in the second one, I write num2. Num2. Now I take two boxes. Here I take this one as usual. Now I duplicate it. Num1 and num2. Okay. Now I take a button. In the button, I take the first sign. First I decrease the size of width. Okay. I duplicate it 3 more boxes. So this. Okay. In the first box, I write plus sign. Where is the plus sign? Plus. I increase the font size. Okay, this looks great. Now for the second one, I write minus sign. Okay, now go to the font size and make it big. It is looking nice. In the third box, I take it here. I take this is multiply sign. Here I increase and okay. For the next one, division sign. Okay. Now I will increase it little big. Okay. Now I take text input. No button is better. Small, small, small. Yes. Now I duplicate it. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. This goes here. This button goes here and okay. In the first button, I write equals to. In all button, where is yes equals to? I think I will delete this. Okay. Now I will increase the equals to. Okay. Now duplicate it. Here is the equals to here. Okay. Now I take text input. Oh. I think I decrease here, yeah. This is okay. This equals to is not just in position. This also and this. Okay. Now I duplicate it. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. This comes here. This comes here. And this comes here. Okay. Our designing part is complete. Hi guys, today we make calculator. So I have done the design. So let's get started. First, we have to click in the num1. So take the on event. We click on the num1. So level 3. Here we take the level 3. Level 3. Now go to the variables and take var x from num. Here I take it num1. Okay. Now go to the UI controls and take set number. Set number. In here, button 17. Here, button 17. Num1. Num1. Now, we check it is working or not. Here, enter a value. I take it 45. Okay. Yes, it is working. So now we copy it. Here is a blue square, a rectangle. Now we copy it. Control C, Control V. Here. Now when we click on the level 4, your level 4. Here is the level 4. Now, here it is num2. Delete 2. Now, in the button 18. So, button 18 and here it is num2. Okay. Now when we click on the plus sign, it plus the two numbers and show the and show the answer in this text input 2. So, when we click on this button, this is button 1. Now, set number ID here in the text input 2. So, text input 2. Now, go to the maths and take this plus sign. Now, go to the UI controls and take get number in this box also. Now, in the ID, here it is button 17 and here button 18. So, button 17 and here button 18. Now we can try it is working or not. Here num 1 45. Okay, num 2 112. Okay, now plus, yeah, 57. It's right. Now for the minus 1. Take the same rule. When click on the button 3, we take set number ID text input 8. So here text input 8. Now in the 0 we take minus sign now. See? In the minus sign we take the UI control, go to the UI controls and take get button. Again in the text box also get button. Here in the get number, okay, it is also same. Button 17 and button 18. Now again on event. Now again. In this ID, we take button 5. And here, button 17. Yes. Now, we take text set number in the both on event. Here in this ID, we take text input 11. Here is. In the next we take text input 14. So here we take text input 14. Now we take the multiply sign and the divide sign. Here it is and here it is. Now I have to do UI controls, take the get number. Oh. Down. Okay, I just okay. button 17 and button 18. 17 and 18. Button 17 and button 18. Now we see the coding is right or not. I will beat the screen little bit. Okay. When I click on the num one, a prompt num comes 46. Okay. Now in the num 2, I take 71. Okay. Now plus, oh my god, minus, wow. Whoa, divide, wow. It's very nice. So see you in the little. Bye bye.